Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the automatic screenshots that get taken when you unlock a trophy or something like that. So if I look in my media gallery on my PS5 Pro, you can see all these video clips and pictures that are saved to my PS5. And sometimes this is just too bloated. So what you can do is go to Settings and then scroll all the way down here to Captures and Broadcast and select this. And under captures, we can go to the right, scroll all the way down to auto captures. And we have three things. We have trophies, challenges, and community game health. Let's go to trophies. It says save trophy screenshot. So this is automatically going to take a screenshot, but we can decide the level on which it will take a screenshot. So if you unlock a platinum trophy, it's going to take a screenshot. And that's very rare. So you might want it set on to maybe platinum and gold. Otherwise, you can just go to none. And then we have the same thing for video clips. You saw for Kingdom Come, there was a 15-second little video clip that was saved. But I don't need it for all trophies, maybe just platinum and gold and up. A lot of the silver ones you're going to be unlocking a lot, so there's really no point for that. Then you got challenges right here if you want this on or not. And then the community game health. So I have this just turned off, but this will reduce the amount of screenshots you have in your media gallery now by quite a bit. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.